In this demonstration, you're going to see how to create and delete a custom Active Directory partition using the ntdsutil command line utility. So here we are in an elevated PowerShell prompt. We run ntdsutil. We activate the instance ntds. It says it's not a domain controller. We select partition management, and then we configure connections. We connect to a domain controller, in this case seadc1.contoso.com. We're now connected to that domain controller. We're back to partition management. We select list. This lists the current partitions on this domain controller: configuration, Contoso, schema, domain DNS zones, forest DNS zones. So then we use the command create, new partition, app partition, and we specify the common name of it, DC app partition, DC Contoso, DC com, on the domain controller, seadc1.contoso.com. It adds that object. We do a list of all of the partitions, and we see that we have the new partition at the bottom, number 5, DC app partition, DC Contoso, DC com. Now, if we want to delete it, we type delete, name in context, DC is app partition, DC is Contoso, DC equals com. This is a relative distinguished name, which you've got to use when you're performing these tasks. We list, and we see in the list of partitions now that that newly added partition has since been removed. We then exit ntdsutil.